Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Solitaire hard level step by step. Start by scanning the tableau and stock to spot immediate reveals. Move cards to expose face-down cards when it costs you the fewest future options. Reserve building to foundations until safe, and use empty columns to reorder sequences. Think 2 to 3 moves ahead and avoid automatic plays that reduce flexibility. Begin with a calm tablet check and reveal any available face-down cards first. Avoid sending a card to the foundation unless it cannot help free a tableau card. Use the stock carefully and prefer moves that produce an empty column, since a free space is the most powerful resource. Keep alternating colors and build descending sequences to increase future play options and control the pace of the game. When the game tightens, slow down and consider which sequences to break for maximum gain. Preserve cards that can unlock multiple face-down cards, and only move duplicates to foundations when no better alternative exists. Visualize the next 3 stock cards to avoid wasting powerful moves, and use empty columns strategically to reassemble sequences in optimal order for future reveals and foundation builds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.